Yo, it's your boy Cosmo coming at you with the rain game. So, going over to military, driving along. See a dude parachuting. I was like, hey, I can hit him. But all of a sudden, this guy steps right in front of me. So, run him over. Gonna try to go run some other dudes over, but it doesn't quite work out. So, instead, I drive over and I get a care package. Then, after I get the care package, got the M24, driving over across the bridge, checking my map, about to go center circle, and I see a dude running in. Alright, well, cool, man. You be cool. I'm just gonna go this way. Dude starts shooting at me. It was like total rude, and I was like, alright, well, fuck you, man. I'm gonna go this way. Go our separate ways, driving up. Driving up the hill, checking out the new test server. When I see something kind of weird in a bush, I was like, is that a guy? It was a guy. Or the rat. So, 2 kills, fired no shots, still getting shot at a little bit. Decide I'm going to do one of my perfect parking jobs here. Nailed it. I'm set up. Silence M24. Do a pause here. Capture. About to start hunting. All of a sudden I turn around. The motherfucking bush Wookie shooting at me. So I'm periodically fall off of this incline. I try to pull my grenade out. Definitely something you shouldn't do. Is try to throw grenades in the open field, but sometimes it works. But it didn't work this time. Now I'm blind. I thought he might rush me there, but he didn't. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm playing the third person, it's just the game is currently defaulting to third person. I have to switch it. Missed that shot, but don't miss that one. So now I got my Silence M24 and my ghillie suit. Go to work. But I just get killed a few minutes later. GG.